Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the Digital Navigator. Today's video will be a beginner's guide on how you can create a TikTok Business Center account and a TikTok Ads account, and then we'll learn how you can connect them together. So a lot of people might wonder on why I should create a Business Center account for TikTok, and the reason for this is actually rather simple. If you are managing multiple TikTok accounts at once, you can connect all of them to one Business Center, and that way you can manage all of them at the same time fairly easily. And the thing is, even if you're managing only one TikTok account at a time, it is simply better for organization, for planning reasons, to make use of this Business Center account options and features on your TikTok Ads account. So as for the TikTok Business Center account, this is what TikTok has to say about it. You should consider using a Business Center if you want to take any of the features listed below as you start with your journey with TikTok for Business. It offers collaboration, centralization, and accountability. So why use TikTok Business Center? You can possess an all-in-one platform to check multiple accounts, as I mentioned, all at once, which reduces the time it takes to switch from one account to another. You can maintain full control of access permissions and manage assets. It ensures transparency of collaboration and the upgrade decision making for your future campaigns. And right now I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So for the first step, you want to go to tiktok.com/business. You can simply type in the website like that or search it over Google. You want to click on Create Now. So once you're on this page, this is the sign up page. You can, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in, and I'm going to show you how you can connect it to a TikTok Ads account. If not, you need to enter your email address and then choose a password. You can subscribe to receive emails from TikTok if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that. You have to check this one as you will be agreeing to the terms and service. You can read them if you want. And at the moment, this option I don't think is available because it is only available for businesses. So you can try after this video is released, maybe they have changed that, but for now you have to enter your email and choose a password. After that, it will send a verification code to your email, so we're gonna go ahead and grab that real quick. You just have to paste it in here and it will automatically direct you. After you've entered your verification code, it will take you to tell more about the business. This is for approval purposes, but don't worry, like almost every account gets approved. Choose a business name for yourself. It could be your legal name of the business, the kind of industry that you guys do. So if you do e-commerce, education training, games for example, and then you can go and choose like strategy type of games. The country and region, let's choose Germany. Currencies in euro, your time zone, and the phone. Make sure to put a real phone number and like your actual phone number, as this is important for the verification process. After that, you click on this. You tick the box to agree to TikTok commercial terms of service and then hit on continue. After that, you can choose to add your billing information right away by entering your VAT number or your company registration number, but both of them are optional and you can also add them later. Once you've done that, press on Go to Ads Manager. So once you've created your TikTok Ads account and you've confirmed and everything, it will redirect you to this page right here where you can choose between a simplified or a custom mode. We're gonna select custom mode. And from here, it will take you to where you can create your campaign. You can set the objective for it. You can add a bunch of stuff about your campaign. And you can do all that later when you actually want to create a TikTok ad. But for now, we want to connect this to our Business Center account after we create it. So go over this little emoji here of a suitcase and press on it as it says Business Center. It will open a new web page where you can create your TikTok Business Center account in only 3 steps. The first one is to set your account information. You want to enter your Business Center name. You select whatever you want. You enter your time zone, and then you need to describe your business, whether you're an agency creating, ads for multiple accounts, or you're an advertiser, the company name and the website, and eventually you want to add your billing information. So after that, it will take you to your TikTok Business Center account where you can view a bunch of analytics and details about your account. You can learn how you build your team, create an advertiser account, set up your payment details, or even create ads within the business center. However, we want to connect our TikTok ads account that we just created, and for that you want to press on assets, drop down the menu. It will open a bunch of options right here. Choose TikTok accounts, and then from here you need to request access to the TikTok ads account that you want to connect. So to request access, you have to press on the request access button right here, where it will open the kind of permissions that you require. So choose the one that you need. For example, I don't need the live video permissions as I don't go live on my TikTok account that I use for ads. So I'm gonna check this one. I'm gonna check this one as well, and then press on generate QR code. And that's really all about it. Now you have the QR code right there. What you need to do is that you can copy the QR code and then send it to your TikTok owner, your client or something, to approve your request. Once it's approved, the account will appear in your assets and you will be able to give access to your members. So if the TikTok account that you want to manage is actually yours, what you can do about it is you need to open your TikTok app and then go to the friends section, and then you need to tap on this button right here. It looks just like that. Let me zoom in so you can see it. And then press on this little button right here that is going to allow you to scan the code. Once you've scanned this code, that's it. You will have your request approved. So I'm going to show you guys real quick on how you can do that and scan the QR code for access. The first thing that you want to do is obviously go on your TikTok app on mobile, and then you want to press on the profile button right here. From here, you want to go to the settings and then click on my QR code. So press on this button, and then it will allow you to scan for your QR code so that you can get the access as soon as possible. So if let's say the account that you're managing is not actually yours and you want to give them your QR code easier, you can request access right here and then select what kind of permissions that you want to make. Once you've generated the QR code, you can copy, like press the copy button, and then it's going to actually download that file. Once the file is downloaded, you can now access it and send it over to your client so that they can copy your QR code a lot faster. Once your request is approved, the account that you just linked will appear right here and you'll be able to manage it. Whether it's one account or multiple accounts, they will all appear right here and you can manage them all at once. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. Hopefully you learned how to create a TikTok Business Center account and a TikTok Ads account, and you know how to connect them together now. I hope you found this video helpful or enjoyable to watch. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content.